Behavior management is one of the most challenging aspects of teaching, but keeping good behavior records is cumbersome and disrupts the flow of the class. At the very least, a good behavior record should tell you how many times a student presented an undesirable behavior over a period of time. Simply swipe down on any student to record undesirable behavior, and ClasStars will keep track of the time that it happened. You can then rate the intensity or level of disruption of the misbehavior on a 5-point scale. Effective behavior monitoring looks for changes in frequency and intensity of dysfunctional behavior. So instead of fidgeting with papers, pens, clips, and whatever else you use for marking behavior, a quick swipe and tap gives you an accurate and effective record that can be used to create behavior plans and monitor improvement. Just wait until you see the charts and dashboards. But that's not all. Tap this button in the bottom corner to toggle from single swipe mode to full function mode. Now when you swipe down on a student, you can specify the misbehavior in greater detail. Our menu contains the basic universal undesirable behaviors. It is so simple to swipe and tap, and you get a highly detailed comprehensive record of every student's behavior. You can undo the last record on the student by tapping the undo button at the top.